Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has directed officials to promptly retract all notices sent to farmers regarding Wakf land issues, ensuring no disturbances occur. This decision came after a high-level meeting with senior officials from the Revenue Department, Minority Welfare Department and the Wakf Board. The CM expressed dissatisfaction from certain officials' recent actions accusing the JDS and BJP of exploiting the Wakf issue for political advantage, which could threaten state peace. He urged the public to ignore misinformation and call for a sensitive handling of the matter. Key decisions from the meeting. All notices related to Wakf properties sent to farmers must be retracted immediately. Officials are instructed to refrain from troubling farmers about lands they possess. Any unauthorized alterations to land records (PARNI) must be nullified without delay. Attenders included Law and Parliamentary Affairs Minister H.K. Patil, Revenue Minister Krishna Byre Gowda, Chief Secretary Rajendra Kataria and Wakf Board CEO Jilani.